back to my channel. Today's video is so exciting. I'm finally going through my closet and Sydney's and going through and just getting rid of all the things that I don't wear, that are new with tags, that we've never worn or didn't fit Sydney in the right season, and I'm putting them on Poshmark. So this video is in sponsorship with Poshmark, so thank you so much to them for sponsoring this video. If you guys don't know what Poshmark is, basically it's like an online resale site where you can buy and sell clothing and makeup and things like that, jewelry, designer, as well as just normal brands as well, at a very steep discounted price. It's sellers like you and I who are selling their unwanted clothes or used or just not worn or wrong sized clothes, and you guys get a steep discount on really good quality things. So I'm gonna leave my code right here for you guys to sign up with, and you get a bonus sign on if you are new to Poshmark and use my link. All of these things will be available to you guys. I'm so excited to be going through my closet, you guys. Honestly, I haven't gone through my closet in years, and it's just gonna give me a really good excuse to buy more clothes since the fall is coming up. I'm gonna be tackling my closet, and I'm gonna be tackling some of Sydney's closet and clothes. You wanna come here and say hi to the people? People, you wanna say hi? Hi. Say hi. She's having a field day currently because we are upstairs and she's making the world's worst disaster in her bedroom, which we never really get to play in her bedroom, so she's having fun destroying it. So give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you are familiar with Poshmark, and if you have an account, let me know your name in the comments below and I can follow you. I think that would be really fun. So let's jump into me getting my closet because it's gonna take me a long time. Alright guys, so don't judge me and my closet. It's old and a disaster, and I haven't painted it, I haven't cleaned it, I haven't organized it literally since I moved in. I don't think I've even ever had it organized. Oh my gosh, I'm overwhelmed. It is so not organized. These are my old backdrops that I literally haven't used in forever. But so excited to be going through my closet and just decluttering. Some of these clothes I've washed once. Took the tags off, washed once, and literally have not worn them. Like this shirt right here, never wore it, took the tag off, washed it, and I just haven't. This shirt right here, I might have worn like twice. And I mean, these are expensive from Nordstrom shirts, you know? So I'm gonna be going through these to declutter, and I'm really excited to be doing so. I get questions a lot about my outfits of the days, and I want to, you know, just see if I can help you guys out. Give good, obviously I'm not going to put any of the clothes that are not of good quality or that are super old on there. I will definitely be putting just newer things that I only wore either like once, or some things actually still have the tags on them. So like this shirt, you guys probably saw it in one of my very recent mom hauls. It's an Ivy Park, brand new, absolutely never been worn. Yes, it's wrinkled because it was in my drawer. It's a crop top, but it's like an oversized crop top, and it just does not look good on my frame, in my opinion. And I never returned it, so this will definitely 100% be going on Poshmark. The color is absolutely beautiful. The quality is obviously really good, but it just, I have very broad shoulders, and it just accentuated my broad shoulders. So this 100% I will be putting on there. So I found this in her closet. Not found it, I sort of forgot that it was there. But you guys, this still has the brand new tags on it. It says 12 months. Whoops. It says 12 months. And I selfishly want to wash it so she can wear it one time, but that's all she'll wear it is one time because we're getting into the fall and she never wore this. I'm gonna have to let it go. Oh, this is a bin of clothes of Sydney's, and these are all preemie, newborn, 3 months. I can't part with the preemie stuff yet because it just holds sentimental value to me. But I think there are a bunch of good things that I can part with, so let's go through this. Yeah, big box. Big bin. Mommy. What do you want? done washing this and I have to hang it up to dry because it wrinkles obviously in like 5 seconds. But this shirt here, I want to know. So this is a shirt from Express. I washed it and was gonna wear this for Christmas last year. So I put it on, and then if you remember, Christmas was a blizzard, so my Christmas got snowed out. So I never wore this, but it's from Express, and it has this cute little like cutout on the shoulder. The neckline's like this, flutter flowy sleeves. It does have the zip up back. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go into my phone, show you the Poshmark app, and it literally making a listing takes under a minute. It's so fast and so easy. So basically, okay, so my name is Hayleyspear, so you can go ahead and follow me there. So I will show you, I have some of my, under my closet, some of my items here that I've already listed, and I'm going to go through and take pictures and like enter my listings as well. But if you go to your feed, they sell, like, you can go under brands like Michael Kors, MAC. There's all kinds of, I guess they're pink, all thousands, that's enough. Thousands of different brands. You go into sell, then you can take a picture of your said item. Once I have the picture, you can either like put a filter on it or something, but I like to keep it natural. Hit next, and then you fill out all the details. So you type like what you're selling. Live the Dream Swaddle, category, and then there's women, kids, men. I'm gonna go under kids, and there is either one pieces or pajamas. I think under one pieces, no, pajamas. They have sleep sacks. And then you go in, you fill out your like size, category, is it new with tags, what's the original price, and the listing price. And then you'll hit record, and then you describe it here. And then you'll hit list, and that's all there is to it. Come on, let's go put your shoes on. We're gonna go play outside. Come on. Come to Mama, please. Where's Sydney? Let's go get your shoes on. Come on. Yeah, let's go. Come on. Quick. Good girl. All right, now we just play outside. Inside, just grabbing a quick snack, butternut squash and pears. And I know I say this almost in every vlog and every time she has a pouch, but those little pouch covers are lifesavers. I don't know. All right, let's get a water and we'll go outside and play in the water table. So there was just work done to the house the other day, and I know better. Like I totally know whenever you have work done or construction or anything like that done, even if they clean up after, make sure you double check, clean up yourself, sweep before your child ever goes outside. I know, honey, hang on, because I just found 4 nails. I only have 3 of them to show because one of them went in the bushes, but I just found 4, and that is after they already did their cleanup. So just beware. Like, obviously moms are always on their toes, but like it could end badly if you aren't. Would you like to finish the rest of your snack? She desperately wants to go. Okay, let's finish. Let's finish the snack. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Finish the snack, clean our water table. Probably only be getting like a few more weeks worth of use out of this for the season. Until next year when she's probably able to pour it in the top. Yum. You need some help? Okay. You silly. Oh, yeah. All right, so we just got inside. I have to change Sydney, get her clothed. I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. I'm going to basically just focus on creating the listings. I'm so excited to be getting rid of some things and creating more room for more clothes, I guess. So anyway, again, don't forget to check out me on Poshmark so you guys can see like some of Sydney's clothes, a little bit of makeup here and there, and some of my clothes as well. Again, hayleyspear is my username, and this right here is, don't even think about it. This is my code for you guys to use to sign up with and get a bonus. God. Give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to let me know your username when you become a member, or if you are a member of Poshmark. I'm going to go deal with this little nugget. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. You say bye, Sydney?